Hello everyone! Today, we're here to explore the best dash cameras of 2024, which are the ultimate way to secure your journeys. We'll be examining these fantastic devices that elevate your in-car security and driving experience to the next level. Nextbase 622GW, Garmin Dashcam Mini 2, Nexar Pro, Vantrue E1, and Thinkware X1000. If you're ready, let's dive in and discover the top dash cameras. Nextbase 622GW. Introducing the Nextbase 622GW, your ultimate travel companion. Highest image quality. Dashcam in the market today. Ultra-clear 4K recording at 30 FPS and anti-glare polarizing filter captures the finest details. HD recording at 120 fps for super slow motion available. An improved sensor ensures enhanced night vision on the darkest roads. It's the only dash cam with image stabilization and extreme weather mode. Say goodbye to bumps and vibrations, and hello to crystal clear footage in any condition. Only dash cam to include what words, providing your exact location to a 3M square without the need for a data connection, crucial for emergency services to precisely locate you. Coupled with emergency SOS and Alexa built-in, the 622GW is ahead the field with technology advancements. Customizable and compatible with any Nextbase rear-view module to offer all-around protection, whilst crucially maintaining front 4K image quality with 1080p full HD rear recordings. X10 faster footage transfers to your phone with new built-in Bluetooth 5.0 and Wi-Fi 5 GHz. This ensures syncing times with the My Nextbase Connect app. Intelligent parking mode automatically records any bump or physical movement on the vehicle when left unattended. With Nextbase, 622GW make every journey unforgettable. Nexar Pro, engineered for the rigors of the road. Nexar Pro is the ultimate companion for long-haul journeys. With dual high-quality 1080p full HD cameras, it captures both the road ahead and the interior of your vehicle, providing comprehensive coverage. With the Nexar app, you can access real-time parking and brake-in alerts, ensuring peace of mind even when you're away from your vehicle. In the event of an accident, Nexar Pro springs into action. Instant emergency alerts provide vital information, including location and dashcam video footage, making it easier than ever to report incidents and ensure your side of the story is heard. And with innovative features like Siri integration and seamless navigation to your parked vehicle, Nexar Pro streamlines your driving experience like never before. Nexar cameras receive software updates with new features over the air. That means your dashcam gets more powerful every week. So whether you're navigating city streets or cruising down the highway, trust Nexar Pro to keep you safe every mile of the way. Upgrade to Nexar Pro and experience the future of professional-grade dashcams. Vantrue E1. Introducing the Vantrue E1, the pocket-sized dash camera designed to capture every moment of your journey with unparalleled clarity and precision. Equipped with a top-quality Sony CMOS sensor and HDR technology, the Vantrue E1 delivers crisp 2592x1944p footage, ensuring vital details are captured, day or night. With its seamless integration with our free mobile app, you can access live footage, track GPS data, and share videos with ease, all from the palm of your hand. Plus, with GPS tracking capabilities, your driving route, location, and speed are securely saved, providing indisputable evidence in case of an insurance claim. Hands-free operation is made possible with the voice control function, allowing you to control the camera with simple spoken commands, keeping your focus where it matters most on the road. And with advanced features like parking mode, the Vantrue E1 automatically safeguards your vehicle when parked, providing ultimate peace of mind against theft or hit-and-run incidents. Advanced Type-C USB port for transferring data conveniently, built-in supercapacitor for surviving extreme weather, loop recording to automatically make room for new recordings, and up to 512 GB memory card. With its compact design, robust features, and cutting-edge technology, the Vantrue E1 is the ultimate companion for every drive. Experience peace of mind on the road with the Vantrue E1 dash camera. Garmin Dashcam Mini 2, small but mighty. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 is your silent witness on the road. With its car key-size design, it mounts discreetly behind your rearview mirror, capturing every moment without drawing attention. Equipped with a wide 140-degree lens and Garmin Clarity HDR optics, it records crisp 1080p video day and night, ensuring every detail is captured with clarity. With voice control available in multiple languages, you can save videos, start, stop audio recording, take still pictures, and more, all with just your voice. The Parking Guard feature monitors activity around your parked vehicle and alerts if an incident is detected. And with the Garmin Drive app, you have full control at your fingertips. From accessing the secure online vault to view and share saved videos to remotely monitoring your parked vehicle with live view, the possibilities are endless. Built to withstand harsh environments, including direct sunlight and hot temperatures, the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 is as rugged as it is reliable. With Garmin Dashcam Mini 2, make every journey safer and smarter. Thinkware X1000, with its advanced 5.14 megapixel Sony Starvis IMX 335 image sensor and ultra-night vision technology, the X1000 ensures flawless front and rear 2K QHD footage, day or night. The X1000 records at a native 2616 x1964p resolution and scales it down to 2560 x1440p for improved video sharpness, detail, and clarity during video playback. Thanks to Thinkware's latest advancements in low-light recording technology, the X1000 delivers true colors and minimal noise even in the darkest of environments. Boasting an innovative custom lens design, the X1000's focus has been tuned digitally to minimize distortion without compromising the 156-degree wide-angle view, and a blue filter has been incorporated to allow even more light to be absorbed by the image sensor. By only providing minimal power to essential components while in parking surveillance mode, Thinkware's proprietary energy-saving 2.0 technology enables the X1000 to remain on standby for about 576 hours, or 24 days, while the vehicle's ignition is off. By reducing the recording frame rate to 2 FPS, time-lapse in parking surveillance mode enables the dashcam to record up to 7 times more footage compared to regular motion and impact detection parking surveillance mode. The touchscreen features an IPS panel that makes viewing easy from any viewing angle and at any time of the day. With its cutting-edge features, intuitive touchscreen interface, and unmatched reliability, the Thinkware X1000 is the ultimate companion for every driver. Thank you for staying with me for this review. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos and leave your comments below. See you soon.